What's up, guys? This is a 2021 Lexus ES350 F Sport. This is the type here. These are the brand new ones. These Lexus doors are a lot easier to remove than the old past models. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Again, on the fronts, it's 10,000 times easier if you remove the sweep so that you can get into this area right here and bottom load it. Good thing is as well is that once you are done with the removal of these sweeps, you don't even have to shrink. All you have to do is just down bottom load. So first thing here, you take a Platinum Easy Reach and pull back this panel right here, this tiny little panel. You're gonna have a Phillips head screwdriver back there, or a Phillips head. You're just gonna remove this screw. From here, you can take a bone tool and you just pull back. And this right here, if you can see, the panel is starting to come away from the it looks like there's two pieces. So get a bone tool right here, shove it in here and pull back. That way it'll release that pin and you're not gonna break these two pieces. And basically you're just gonna pull it straight back all the way across. Just like that. So you can pull the whole thing back. Just like the Toyotas, because the Lexuses and Toyota by the same people, there's that big fat pin right there. Can you see that? Oh, you can. Okay, perfect. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it straight up and out. And you're gonna pull this whole thing up and out. And this back piece right here does come off, so just be careful. If it does come out, just put it back the way it's supposed to. But now you can bottom load that this front door, and it's gonna come out so much cleaner, so much easier than a top load, because this is literally a finger width. So that's the front door, and let's go to the back door. Back door is not necessary, but if you want to, I'm gonna still do it just in case you do want to. So nothing crazy, I'm just gonna take a Platinum Easy Reach and get it here to take this panel off. Phillips head screwdriver, and we go ahead and remove this Phillips head. And of course, to put everything back together, just do everything in reverse. Not that hard. And let's see, I like to take a bone tool, and we're just gonna go ahead and get between the panel and the wall door and just pull back, straight back. Now this gave me a little trouble right here. So what I did is, come over this way, Joey. So right here, right at this lip right here, you can take a bone tool and go right between the rubber here and the lip, just pull straight and it'll help release it. And since you pull that screw out, you just pull it all the way across. There's that black pin right there. You're just gonna pull straight out. On the Toyotas, I pull these out completely, but these are actually a little bit bigger than the ones on the Toyota, so I just leave it in there and you just pull this sweep straight out, just like that. Now this does come out as well, so if that falls off, just put it back together and reverse everything. These, again, this is the new 2021 Lexus ES350. So yeah, take the sweeps out and bottom load.